Can anonymous tips be enough for a police search warrant? Imagine hearing a tip about someone committing a crime but not knowing who they are or where they are. Can that tip alone lead to a search of their home? That's what we're exploring today. A search warrant is a legal document that allows police to search a specific place for evidence of a crime. In the United States, the Fourth Amendment protects people from unreasonable searches and seizures. This means police usually need a warrant to search your house, car, or private property. There are some exceptions, but generally, a warrant is required. To get a search warrant, police must show probable cause. That means they need a reasonable belief that evidence of a crime will be found in the place they want to search. Probable cause is more than just suspicion. It's based on facts that would make a reasonable person believe a crime is happening or has happened. Now, can an anonymous tip alone give police enough probable cause? The answer is usually no. Courts have ruled that tips from unknown sources are not reliable enough by themselves. Because the tipster's identity is unknown, it's hard to judge if they are credible or if they might be lying. Police can't easily verify if the tip is true just from the call. But if police can verify or confirm details from the anonymous tip, that can change things. For example, if someone calls and says a person at a certain address is selling drugs, and police see activity matching that description, like short visits or suspicious behavior, that can help establish probable cause. Courts look at all the facts together, not just the tip alone. This is called the totality of the circumstances. There's also a lower standard called reasonable suspicion. That lets police briefly stop and question someone if they have specific facts suggesting criminal activity. But reasonable suspicion isn't enough for a search warrant. It only justifies a quick stop, not a full search. Knowing your rights is important. If police don't have a warrant, you can refuse consent to a search. If they say they have a warrant, ask to see it. If they search based only on an anonymous tip without verifying it, any evidence they find might be challenged in court and possibly thrown out. Police often gather more information before applying for a warrant. They might watch the property, interview witnesses, or verify details from the tip. This helps make sure searches are based on solid evidence and protects your rights. If police want to search your property based on an anonymous tip, stay calm and do not interfere. You can refuse to give permission unless they have a valid warrant. Remember, you have the right to remain silent and to speak with a lawyer. These rights are your best protection against unlawful searches. In summary, while anonymous tips can lead to investigations, they are rarely enough on their own to justify a search warrant. Police need to verify the information independently to establish probable cause. Knowing this can help you understand your rights and how to respond if law enforcement comes knocking.